If you're sleeping on AI right now in 2025, you're already behind. AI is not coming, it's already here. And if you're trying to build a business, grow your income, or get out of that 9-to-5 cycle, AI should be your best friend right now. And I'm going to go over a few AI tools to get started. Welcome back to My Business Vibe. You already know we're all about finding smart, real-world ways to break free from the rat race and build something solid for ourselves, right? So let's talk about how we can use artificial intelligence to start a business, grow a business, and automate it with less stress, more freedom, and more money in your pocket. So why AI? Let's be honest. AI used to sound like some futuristic techie nonsense, right? But now it's basically the cheat code for small businesses. We're talking creating emails in seconds, automating customer service, generating social media content, managing client relationships, and helping you choose what business to start. So whether you're working a 9-to-5 and trying to escape, or already running a business or side hustle, AI is definitely the move. Because y'all, the AI train is already whistling. Don't wait until it's halfway down the tracks to realize you should have been in the first car. Get on now or risk being left behind forever. So, 3 top small businesses to start in 2025 using AI. Let's get into 3 online business ideas you can literally start today and how AI will carry you through from day one. Social media management agency. What you'll be doing, running content and growth strategies for small brands and creators, such as local businesses, influencers, and e-commerce shops. And how will AI help you service those businesses? Content creation, utilizing ChatGPT to write captions, posts, and hashtags. ChatGPT is free. However, if you want to grow this business, I would suggest utilizing the ChatGPT Plus, which is the $20 a month paid version. You can offer design graphics using Canva Pro, and Canva Pro has AI Magic Write and AI Magic Design, and the cost for that is $12.99 a month. Also, scheduling hosts, utilizing Metricool or Later. They have free plans available, but the pro plans do start at $18 a month. So you can automate reports using Lumen 5 or also Canva for client reports. Lumen 5 has monthly plans starting at $29 per month. So start with one client and scale by building content packages and also offering digital products. On to number 2, digital product business. What you'll do running a digital product business: selling templates, guides, ebooks, or digital downloads online. Who needs digital products? Everyone. Everyone from moms to coaches to side hustlers. Any and almost everyone can utilize digital products. You can use AI to help create product creation using ChatGPT and again Canva Pro to create planners, swipe files, and guides. You can also do email and funnel building utilizing MailerLite and Flowdesk, which prices between $39 and $49 per month. Customer service utilizing Tidio AI chatbot. There is a free version, but it's very basic, so I would definitely suggest trying out the basic version, and then eventually, if you want to grow that business, starting with one of the paid plans. Marketing and copy AI is really great for Facebook and Instagram ads. So, digital product business, from my own experience, will tell you this is one of the best ways to eventually start making passive income. You create once and then you can sell forever. Keyword, I said eventually. So initially, this is not a passive income type business, but eventually that is where you will grow to become a passive income business. Last but not least, a virtual assistant business. What you'll do, you'll offer admin support, email management, research, booking, and social media. Who will need this type of business? Coaches, entrepreneurs, real estate agents. How will you help those people? Utilizing AI by creating client emails and replies, utilizing ChatGPT again, Notion AI to write and respond faster. Now, the cost again is always a free trial or a free option, but it's very limited and you get very limited responses that you're able to utilize for the month. So again, if you're wanting to grow your business, I will always suggest using the free version to try it out and then eventually going into using one of the paid versions. So CRM and automation, Honeybook, Dubsado, or Flowloo for proposals, contracts, and to receive payments. I myself had experience with Honeybook. I had no issues when I did use Honeybook for my balloon styling business. And so those fees are going to start anywhere from $19 to $39 per month. And just let me say this, for a lot of these tools, if they offer the free version, I would definitely try out the tool, try it out utilizing the free version. But if it's something that I like, I would definitely move on to the paid version, especially if you're serious about growing and scaling your business. So once you grow your client base, you can scale by outsourcing to other virtual assistants or selling digital tools and templates. So how do you utilize AI to start, grow, automate, and eventually scale your business? First, you can use ChatGPT to help you choose a business model. Use Canva AI to design your brand and products. Use Jasper or Copy.ai to create your website and product descriptions. How do you grow with AI? You can use Metrical or Buffer to help you to be able to post content consistently. Use Copy.ai to write emails and create ads. Use analytic tools such as Notion AI or Lumen 5 to track what's working. How to automate with AI. Set up automated email funnels with MailerLite or Flowdesk. Also, use Zapier to connect platforms so things run without you, and add AI chatbots for customer service. How do you scale with AI? You can create digital products utilizing Canva and ChatGPT. Build online courses with Teachable or Gumroad, outsource with AI project managers like ClickUp AI and VA Team. The goal is to create more freedom for yourself. AI doesn't replace you, it works for you, okay? So AI isn't just for tech geniuses anymore, it's for you. It's for people like us who are trying to build something real. Whether it's extra income, time freedom, or just escaping the 9-to-5 rat race, it starts with making moves. And using AI is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. So guys, if this video has helped you in any way, please like and share with anyone who needs this information too. Drop any questions or business ideas you have in the comments for me. I really want to hear from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss another video on how to start and grow your dream business. And as always, thank you for vibing with me. This is My Business Vibe, and until next time.